How to transfer money from Walmart gift card to Cash App. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can transfer money from Walmart gift card to Cash App. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to transfer money from a Walmart gift card to Cash App, you just need to follow some steps. First of all, you may just download the Cash App application onto your device. After the download is complete, you just need to create or log in into your Cash App account. After that, on your home screen, you'll be able to see a balance tab section where you just need to tap on it and select. After that, you just need to select add cash and enter the amount that you want to add. After that, select the add icon and choose the gift card type. Then you need to enter the gift card details, including the card number, CVV code, and PIN. Then you need to verify the gift card balance and confirm the transaction. Or you may also get cash from Walmart gift card by going to the money center at any Walmart store physically. After that, show your barcode to an associate, showing your driver license or state issued ID, and go on with other process, and you should be able to get cash from Walmart gift card. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to transfer money from Walmart gift card to Cash App very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.